How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video, it's a bit different. It is an old video which I decided I would edit and upload. Just a quick wee edit rather than a vlog. Basically, with all the craziness of COVID-19, A, I haven't had an opportunity to go film anything, and B, I figured, hey, why not get an old upload out so that you guys can at least have something to keep you going while New Zealand, for starters, is in lockdown. So here's the video, check it out. Don't worry, there will be still the White River Run video that should be out tomorrow, and all the scheduled videos are on their way. This is just a little gap filler for those getting a little stuck inside with nothing to do. Anyway, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and enjoy. Yes, 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 yes! Slowly!
I've been filming the whole time.
Keep going, you're good. Oh, he's using speed. Oh! Oh! Far out! A little bit bigger. Here we are, this is it. Go, 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 go! Yes, 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 yes! Good. Oh, yeah!